What up, YouTube? It's your boy Never Summer 417. I'm here with a informative video. I saw this video about this kid thinking his zippo was fake. So here's your response, man. Basically, number one, the sound. Okay. There's a certain sound to zippos that only zippos have, and only zippos also have that pattern. Okay, there may be others with it, I don't know, but also everything on this zippo is stainless steel. I don't have a fake one to show you, but on the wheel, the pin that goes in there, that's stainless steel, and it's like hammered in. And there's the back one, so it's kind of like a little a divot going on there. Another way is to match up in a previous video. The numbers and letters to your cartridge. Also, when it says on the side with your number and letter, it will say zippo. Okay. You know, some of them may say that. Cool, whatever, that's fine. But that doesn't make them real. What makes them real is, oops, just put my zippo in wrong. It's the internals. And basically what the internals are, the wick, you know, the thing that lights on fire, okay? And that lights on fire is about 2 inches long, so there's extra, so you can pull out more and then cut it off with like scissors or something. You don't even need wire cutters. And second, there are cotton balls in there. So all you have to do is unscrew the flint cap, take out the flint, pop this thing off, and then take out the cotton. I only know zippos that do that, but it's pretty obvious how to tell if it's a zippo or not. So that's it, guys. Deuces.